Good evening. Today here we are in our school lab in order to describe some of the objects that are here, the existence and location of some of them. For example, in this lab there's a whiteboard. There are also very fast computers. As you can see in this lab, there isn't a camcorder. You can also see that in this lab there aren't musical instruments. Teacher, is there a laptop in this lab?
No, there isn't any lab in this lab.
Excuse me, teacher. Are there headphones in this lab?
Yes, there is one in each one of the computers. You can use it if you want.
Sorry, teacher. Are there any Spanish speakers in this lab?
No, sorry, there aren't any Spanish speakers.